We gonna get it started, man. I'm feeling so fresh tonight. Yes, yes. You know, I'm seeing all the beautiful people. Everybody rocking their favorite brands. Whatever your favorite brand is, it's whatever you wanna do, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I didn't always have it like that. We didn't always have it, you know what I'm saying? So, this is what we had to do to look fly, you know what I'm saying? This is how I used to get it in. And yo, I used to go to the mall with $40 a hand.
All the girls in the bathroom talking, who they gonna take to the Sadie Hawkins. My ears are burning, but I kept on walking. Smile on my face and an air guitar rocking. The Sadie Hawkins dance in my khaki pants. There's nothing better. The girls ask the guys, it's always a surprise. There's nothing better, baby, too, like my sweater. Sitting in the back of my next class, napping. Got up, gave a speech, then bowed to the club and told a funny joke. Got the whole class laughing. Think I got a tan from the light which I was basking. The Sadie Hawkins dance in my khaki pants. There's nothing better. The girls ask the guys, it's always a surprise. There's nothing better, baby, too, like my sweater.
Now I got much together, yeah. Now I made it through the weather. Better days are gonna get better. I'm so sorry that it didn't work out. I'm moving on. I'm so sorry, but it's over now. The pain is gone. I'm putting on my shades to cover up my eyes. I'm talking in my ride. I'm heading out tonight. I'm solo. I'm not solo. I'm not solo. I'm not solo. I'm feeling like a star. You can't stop my shine. I'm loving cloud nine. My head's in the sky. I'm solo. I'm not solo. I'm not solo. I'm not solo. Solo.
Now, eat so sick, gotta hit the pick up the habit. That's alright, 'cause you're alright. Oh, go on, show 'em who you call daddy. I guess they're just not 'cause, girl, they wish they had it. Ooh, my killer, my filler. Yeah, you're a classic, and you're alright tonight. And as long as I got my suit and tie, I'ma leave it all on the floor tonight. And you got fixed up to the nines. Let me show you a good thing. All dressed up in black and white, and you're dressed in that dress I like. Love is swinging in the air tonight. Let me show you a good thing. Let me show you a good thing. Show you a good thing. So that I love. Now we're in the swing of love. Let me show you a few things. Show you a few things. So that I love. Hey.
What she know about rocking the wolf on your night? She know about wearing a burn box. And I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Like your granddad, for donating that plaid button up shirt. Cause right now I'm up in her skirt. I'm at the Goodwill, you can find me in the I'm not stuck on searching in the section. Your Grammy, your auntie, your mama, your mammy. I'll take those flannel zebra jammies secondhand and rock that. Whoa. The built-in onesie with the socks on them. Whoa. I hit the party and they stop in that. Whoa. They be like, oh, that Gucci, that's hella tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt, that's just some ignorant. I call that getting swindled and pimped. I call that getting tricked by business. That shirt's hella dope. And having the same one as 6 other people in this club is a hella dope.